The mulcher is made using about 1/3 of a plastic rain barrel, which I cut off using a saber saw. It's powered by a 3.75 horse Briggs & Stratton lawnmower engine. It has the blade attached underneath, all sharpened up just like on the lawnmower. And this is a 4-inch toilet flange ABS from Home Depot, bolted onto a 4-inch hole. This is aluminum sheet metal held with 2 very large hose clamps, a short section of ABS. Then this is a 4-inch furnace duct, and it's held with 2 big clamps as well. And then on the top there's a large funnel that I made out of sheet metal, held together with pop rivets, and it's also pop riveted on right there. It's important to get the 4-inch hole as close to the engine as possible so that whatever you stuff down the chute actually goes right into the blade. There's the lawnmower that used to have the engine on it.